Hello YouTube, Brent Peter here with you. Coming to you from Picnic Grove, here in the little volcano town of Tagaytay in southern Luzon. It's about 85 degrees. I think it's supposed to get up to 89 today. Just a beautiful day. I guess everybody comes here to picnic and just enjoy the day. There's all kinds of picnic tables set up. They've got zip line, they've got a big Ferris wheel. See if I can zoom in on that. That's the first thing I tried to do, but they said the air conditioner's broke and it's too hot to do it without it. So, but yeah, got all kinds of little restaurants and eating deals and like markets and the skywalk that you can check out the whole area. Get over here away from the people so they don't think I'm crazy. Okay folks, I'm back. Just sitting here, I was checking out the zip line. Pretty cool little zip line. Checked out the little souvenir shops. Got me a couple t-shirts. Show y'all. When it comes to souvenirs, they got pretty much anything you want. I got a couple of t-shirts for about $7, I guess. About $3.50 a piece. But I'm gonna have to slow down on the Buka Buka. The biggest size they had was 3X, and that's what I tried them on. There's not much wiggle room. They fit for now, but they won't if I keep hitting them Buka shakes. But it's all right, because I'm fixing to get my ass in shape. Just got to slow down on the sugar and the carbs. And it's hard in the Philippines, folks. So that's a pretty cool little park. Picnic Grove, I think's the name of it. Check out a few more shops and call it a wrap, folks. Hello, hello. No. How much bananas?
100.
100 for a whole sack?
Plastic, 100.
Okay.
All 100.
Let me see. This is more fruit than I'll eat in a week. Just bananas.
This one.
Woo, that's a lot of bananas.
5.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
All right, folks. We got bananas. Look at that. Less than $2.
Souvenir soy t-shirts.
Hello.
Jeans, ref magnet. T-shirt, ma'am.
It's straight up warm over here. Bill said 86 degrees a while ago. I don't believe it's that warm. Hello, hello. In the city of Tagaytay itself, or where I'm at. Maybe because I'm up on the 15th floor, I don't know. There's lots of schools come here for the weekend, looks like. I guess they bus them from Manila and everywhere. There's all kinds of buses set out here. And I've got to figure out where my taxi guy parked. Can't remember exactly. I think I'm on the right track here. It costs you 75 pesos to get in here, folks. That's about $1.50. But as you can see, most people set up to stay all day, so well worth it. Okay, maybe it's just this. Maybe it's just this shade, but it's a hell of a lot cooler down here. Maybe it's all that. I don't know. Right there's where I thought my taxi guy would be. Check out this little ride. All right. Bananas? You like bananas? Okay, folks, I'm back. Coming to you from the Sky Ranch. Here's another great big old Ferris wheel. This place got all kinds of little souvenir shops, coffee shops. I think I'm fixing to go hit up this coffee shop. Got roller coasters. I'll be dang. I think this is like a big kids park too. But it's supposed to have pretty good views. I'll check it out and get back with you. Okay, folks, I'm back here at the Sky Ranch. These are the views I was looking for. See if I can't zoom in and set my coffee down. Check out that Spanish coffee. Pretty hazy today. This morning about 7 o'clock, it was just clear as a bell. I should have got up and got around then, but I didn't think about this haze rolling in, or if this is normal, or this may just be part of the volcano type atmosphere. I don't know. But from my condo this morning, it was pretty clear. And then I got up or around 9 o'clock, it was already turned hazy. I'm gonna check out this bad boy. I think there'll be some good views from that. All right, folks, this is what I'm talking about. Air-conditioned Ferris wheel. Never been on an air-conditioned Ferris wheel. I was at that picnic place where they said their air conditioner's broke and it's too hot to ride. I was thinking, what the hell are they talking about? Now I know. These things are air conditioned. Feels pretty good in here too, folks. We'll check it out. Gonna be some amazing views, I bet. Okay, folks, here we go. We're up on the Ferris wheel. Check out them views, folks. It's like a casino. It's a long way down there, folks. That's that observation tower. I'm at the very peak right now. Little panoramic view of Tagaytay. Okay, folks. Some pretty amazing views, but not too impressed with this slow ass Ferris wheel. I thought when we went over that hump it'd get your stomach or something. Nah, it's just it's moving so slow you can't even hardly tell you're moving. And I bet it's just one trip around and they yank you back off. But it was some beautiful views up there. It cost 200 pesos, so that's a little less than $4. So. But this is a great place if you want to bring the kids. There's all kinds of roller coasters and rides and all kinds of stuff for the kiddos to do. But I'm at the mercy of my track driver. He's been taking me to the hotspots, and so I can mark this one off my list too. This is the Sky Ranch, and some pretty amazing views, folks. Y'all stay tuned. One last little walkthrough. You got your Transform. Optimus Prime. I think that's who that was. Used to watch that when I was a kiddo. Transformers. More souvenirs. Got a little manifold repair on a tricycle. Okay folks, I'm here at Coffee Nativo. Just got me a sizzling sausage with rice. Looks delicious. Y'all stay tuned. Okay, I'm back. Coming to you from my condo here in Tagaytay. I'm on the rooftop deck. And I don't know if it said it or not, but in my Airbnb listing, I didn't even see this. As you can see, it's got just the whole building rooftop deck that you can come out and get some awesome views from. But I was looking at another listing and noticed it was the same building that I'm in, because I was looking at monthly rent, and I found this, identical apartment to mine for $460, I think. And I was reading the listing, and it said rooftop view, and it showed a picture of the rooftop. So I thought, well, hell, I'll go check it out. And so I did, and this is it. Okay folks, I'm back at my room here, checking out the swimming pool. I forgot I didn't show you all the swimming pool. That's her.